Hey guys, if you are the Facebook user and if you are getting this same problem that I have got from a long time in my Facebook, that Facebook story archives not showing, how I fix this problem I will tell you in this video. So archive section does not appear in the Facebook, and if this appear and it does not show my stories, how I fix this problem I will tell you in this video. So guys, let's start this video. First, for to fix this problem, what you need to do, you need to open your Facebook Lite browser. So here I am opening my Facebook Lite browser, as you can see here, and here is different types of option will appear. So we need to tap on the setting option shown at the below, setting and privacy option, and there you can see the option of settings. Simply tap on this option, and when you tap on this option, multiple types of option will appear here. So we need to scroll up, and we need to find the option here that will help you to fix the problem. So what we need to do here, I will tell you. So you can see in the audience and visibility section, post stories option came out here. So you need to click on the stories option, and when you tap on this, multiple types of option will shown here. So you in the third option, in the third row, you can see the option of story archive. So simply tap on the story archive, and when you tap on this option, a new page will appear with multiple options. What we need to do here, I will tell you. So simply tap on the story archive section, and archiving your stories, save to archive. So make sure you turn on this feature. Mostly user turn off this feature, and that's why they got the problem in the archive section, that their storage does not save there. So what you need to do, if this is already saved on, then you need to turn off and then try to turn it or turn back it on. And after doing this step, what we need to do here, we need to we need to restart our device, and after restarting our device, we need to try, and our problem will be solved. So in this way you can fix this problem. I have got the same problem, and by this method I fixed my problem. Thank you guys, hope you like this video.